In this video, you will learn how to add in your fixed asset items into the Asset Master listing. Click on Fixed Asset tab. Select Asset Master. If you are newly setting up your Fixed Asset Master, you will see a blank screen here. Click Add to create the first asset code. For furniture and fittings, create the asset code, for example FF0001 or 002, and so on and so forth, and enter the asset description. Click on the location code and indicate where is this fixed asset placed physically. At the asset group, indicate whether this asset to be furniture and fittings or office equipment. This asset group is very important because the posting will be depending on how you set this asset group to be classified in the general ledger. At the asset category, you can further classify this as a table as a subset of the furniture and fittings. You can indicate the brand of this fixed asset, or click on the open menu if it's not in the list. Or you can leave it blank as this is not a mandatory field. At the Assign To field, the system will display all the staff's name. Indicate who will be responsible for this fixed asset. For example, Catherine Cole. And any other relevant information. For example, the warranty date, from when to when. Or insurance policy, etc. Next, click on the Depreciation tab. Select the depreciation method for this asset and the useful life and the cost of the asset. This value is chosen for easier demo reference purpose. And if the asset is bought in foreign currency, indicate the currency code and the exchange rate. And the initial book value will be calculated by the system. If this asset is a new addition to the asset list, there will be no accumulated depreciation. Assuming this asset is an existing asset that was bought last year, 2013, and the first depreciation date was August 2013, and the last depreciation for this fixed asset was 2014 June, and you are going to set the start depreciation date to be July 2014 in the real-time fixed asset system. Enter the accumulated depreciation value as at June 2014 with reference to the number of months depreciated over here. Check the date again. Next, click on the Asset tab. The opening tab will be current. You will not be able to post the asset opening before saving. You will get a warning message. Click Save and click OK. Next, click Post Asset Opening. Click OK. Click Exit. You have successfully added a fixed asset record into the Asset Master listing. Next, we are going to prepare the monthly depreciation schedule for this fixed asset. Highlight on the record and click Edit. Now that the information are added into the system, and user is not allowed to change any of the information here. Click on the Depreciation Schedule tab. At the monthly depreciation schedule, meanwhile, it is blank. Click Generate Schedule. Click OK. Return back to the monthly schedule. Starting from July 2014 to July 2016, the system will prepare the balance of the 25 months of depreciation. Starting from the net book value of 2004 until the amount is 0. with a monthly depreciation of $100 until the last month. Click on the annual depreciation schedule. Based on the calendar year, the system will display each year's depreciation total. Return back to Depreciation tab. If you click Delete Schedule, the monthly depreciation schedule and the annual depreciation schedule will be cleared. Click on Generate Schedule again. Click OK, and it will be back. This can only be done when there's no posting done to this asset yet. Exit from the Asset Master entry. Continue to add the next asset. Your complete asset master listing will look something like this. You have successfully learned how to add an asset item into the asset master in the real-time fixed asset module.